Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm showing you how to make a no-fail, easy rib roast. And believe it or not, it takes 1 hour at first, and then I'll explain to you after. So what I did was I sprinkled some organic no salt seasoning. So I have here some rock salt. You can use any kind of salt that you want. I'm just going to sprinkle the bottom first. Rub it down all around. And then my oven is preheating to 350. And then we're just going to put it in uncovered for 1 hour, no peeking. And then I'll show you what to do next. It's amazing. No matter what size roast this is, it always comes out perfect. This happens to be a French salt, fleur de sel, but you can use any kind of rock salt or Himalayan salt or anything that you want, okay? That's it. So now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour, no peeking. And then we'll turn it off, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So the roast has been in the oven for 45 minutes to give it medium rare. Rare would be 40 minutes, 45 minutes would be medium, and 55 well done. So now we're going to cut it. Just going to cut a couple pieces so you can see it. It's amazing. There we go. Look how nice it is. Can you imagine, no matter what size roast you have, this is the timeline that you follow. 1 hour, leaving the oven closed, not peeking, at 350. Then you can leave it for a few hours if you're busy, you want to make it early. And then about 40 minutes or so before you eat, then you time it, turn it on again. And this is medium rare. Look how nice it is, beautiful. And I've even done 2 roasts at one time, big roasts, and it came out perfect. So it doesn't matter on the size. This is a 7-pound roast, but you can do any size, or you even can do 2 at a time. This is wonderful. Okay. Amazing, right? Hard to believe.